undergoing here at the airport metro connector. I know I've said it before, but still it's worth mentioning this. When you're out here and not on YouTube and the actual real life, it looks tremendous. It looks very grand in size. And you can see those kind of beam shape beams on here. Eventually that'll be a really nice looking glass feature, getting you from Metro to LAX people mover line, one of these stations here. This is ITF East, or you can also go to the Fun Rack if you want to get your rental car for your final destination. That's the final stop there. A good shot here today of one of the skylights as the sun is actually beaming on it. Can't wait to see how this looks finished. I mean, it's going to be kind of, I don't know, kind of like a Grand Central Station kind of vibe, I would say. At least, you know, like metro-wise. You can see aviation here is pretty much a mess. It's kind of like a war zone. Got like a single lane here, which is never a good idea around LAX. So a lot of grading going on, so we'll see how this looks in the next coming months. Hopefully later in 2024, next year, we'll start to see what this area looks like finished up. Here's the tail end of the facility right next to Wally Park, and looks like they got some kind of paint rollers, putting some kind of epoxy or something, I don't know, maybe a glue that they're putting this sheathing on. You can see some of these facades that aren't complete, but if you look over here on the left, then you'll see some of the completed portions. A look of things to come.